I told you to stop biting people and you don't listen. I don't care. I do not care. Well, you bit your daddy. Yes, you did. I seen the bite. Well, he didn't do nothing to you and you showed your ass and bit him. Yes, you did. I seen you do it. I don't care what you say, Beasley. You did it and I know you did it. Well, you better stop. Next time you do it, I'm gonna bust your ass. You don't holler at me. I don't care what you say. He takes care of you all day long and you done went and bit him? I don't care. Well, I don't care either. Well, no, stay off of me. You're just a big fat biter. People ain't gonna want to have nothing to do with you if you keep biting people. Well, don't matter. Ain't nobody gonna touch you no more if you keep biting them. Well, you shouldn't have bite people. He can put other water bowls on your damn cage. It ain't gonna hurt you. You done? Hateful?
Hello?
Hello.